Hello, 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 hello! Welcome back to our video appointment. Today on a Saturday, because we was in need to have more data about the situation. Also today is the end of the month and is a Saturday that usually is a low volume pump day, so it can be interesting, especially on the BitMEX resets. So let's go and check. Today we're gonna check Bitcoin, Ethereum and Cripple on Max. Now that we can actually make money over that crap on leverage properly. Okay, so this is the usually daily view. Let's make a pair of down the music, or kids can't listen to my sexy voice. Can be something like this. Yes, something like this. I think like this. Okay. Then, of course, we have this guy here. We cannot forget this fantastic pennant. Okay, so this is our fantastic pennant. I'll put a pair of things on. Here we go. So let's make a pair of leverage. So 12 hours. Because it's more visible, just for that. MA 200 under us. The other two indicators over, providing resistance on the way up. Let's prepare the retracement zone. Okay. So we have 3 retracement zones. Fully compatible with the border of the trend. It's gonna be also, I think, yellow because it's the golden pocket. But I'm gonna double check it. This is gonna be white. But it's gonna be blue because we are. No, it's gonna be white. It's gonna be white and less white. Okay, it's gonna be blue. This is the 161. If you don't know about Fibonacci, you should probably take a look at it. Is the only predictive way we have available on any study. So okay, so this is the 3 levels. Okay, then speaking about Max, we have this border here on the daily. We are under it. Okay. Like this. Even double check with the close. Yeah, let's do this. 50% significant. 50% significant, yeah, so the angle is good, and the retest also significant. We are not bearish because we almost there, okay, but maybe need a little bit of time more to do. The thing is that today we're gonna have a lot of alerts because of my planet trades. Yesterday we start design a bear flag on Ethereum and XRP. We're gonna try to reproduce it here too because I think it's the right way to see the situation. Okay, so the 3 retracement zones are here. Let's go for our. This is my interesting one. Okay, this is an important level. Okay, because this is also This is the 261 from the top retracement, but is also the 161 from the bottom. Okay, and you know, levels gonna stay there for a bit, including the security. So I mean that somebody is trading with us. The algos trade with us. I'm gonna make this a different color. Okay, so we are there. Okay, from the 261 extended, we crashed back, we went to the 161. Now 161 is important, is an important level, is part of the original setup. Okay, you're not avoiding the master divergence, even going under it, but you will have to close one candle over it, maybe the monthly candle. Okay, and the monthly candle today can close over it. Now the monthly candle also come with this fantastic divergence. Okay, so a pump will avoid the divergence. Okay, a continuation on the dump and pump tomorrow, let's say, will not avoid the divergence. They will stay there. So at a point you will have this one working. Okay, let's see, depend, because making a valley on the divergence can also help out. Okay, but it will be constant, it will be not easy to be fixed. Okay, after this drop, let's see 4 hours. Okay, so we have this figure that doesn't have a lower low here, so it look more like a downtrend situation. It is, so you can design this like this. Make a little bit of extra stuff today for the kids, especially the new kids. I'm gonna use this one. This is the channel you are in, basically. Okay, this is the channel you are in. The 4 hour did not close. We have also an order block in our setups. Let me just check. Yeah, this is our block. Okay, we have to close over that block. Okay, but here I don't care about it much. So this is how you see, and he's bullish, no, because he's making a downtrend channel. Downtrend channel is also somehow start to look like a wedge. Okay. We already have this wedge on our setup I posted. The wedge is going to the border. Okay, now the divergence we constantly have, now we're gonna go a lower time frame, 2 hours. Okay, so first of all, let's design a little bit of levels. This is the support. We have boom. Okay, so this is the guy that keep us up under the master one, is where we are making divergence, but you most likely are making divergence because you are still inside the 161. This is the 161. It's a range. Okay, you can bounce inside this for a month. Okay, better not, but that is the zone. So this one we put a price on it, 8.5. In the move down we close the gap on CME, so tomorrow CME have the gap closed, can pump. Okay, this is the channel that you are working in, but I'm gonna go 3-4 hours. But on Ethereum we have a different story. that is an uptrend. Okay, so for example, so this now can maybe go and retrace till this zone again. Okay, I will most likely think no, we can still bounce. We can still bounce. We can still bounce. Okay, now to understand the difference between this and another asset, we go to Ethereum. Same situation with different setup. So the setup is this. Oh yeah, sorry, we just put also a channel. Put also here a channel. So daily one can be. Okay, so we are out of the master channel. Okay. Also have this acceleration, pretty evident. Yes, this is also one of the reasons why we are not pumping hard on divergence, because we have the 50% of this channel in the middle of the balls. Okay, so let's check this. That's the reason why you have a lot of resistance, including on the daily. You are under the MA. Okay, you closed this over the MA, this under the MA, this is under the MA. Okay, 200. A lot of people watching this for long. We are constantly making kind of stars. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit of trouble to leave. This is we're gonna leave it. Maybe not right now, but in probably even the next reset can make us jump over. Okay, but let's go on the Ethereum one. Different Ethereum. Ethereum is a bear flag. Ethereum is a bear flag. In Ethereum we have this kind of setup. So 1 hour again, same as before. We make our setup for the support. This is the support line, the main support line. This one here, you can see. Then you're gonna have the channel that in this case is visible. We made this one. This one was the channel I designed first. That happened after, so we're gonna stay with the design I did in the beginning. Let's see. Yes, is the one. Okay, so Ethereum can bounce here. Okay, what is the difference? There is this guy here. Now that we close it. Okay, so to me this look like a bearish pennant. Yeah, bearish pennant. And also, so we make a target for the pennant, extended and not extended. One target for the non-extended, and one target for the extended. That is pretty cool. Yeah, on max this is gonna be money maker. Okay, so money maker. Yeah, we're speaking about you wanna play this out after 10. We're speaking about 150%. Like, you know, okay, bossy. This is the target for the flag. We need to check the divergence. daily divergence. No, 12 hours. 6 hour. That one was the divergence. Okay, so this is the divergence. Is also the 261. Okay, different color. Is also the 261, so we're gonna use this. Okay, it's exactly the 261. So the less extended one is gonna be the money maker. The money maker can make out of the border filled 110%. Okay, on a 10 pair. Don't go 50 pair. Don't do that. So this is the money maker. Okay, and differently from Bitcoin, that is downtrend. Okay, you have this figure visible of the of a bear flag. Okay, you can still break out. Most likely this is 95% possible down. It's not like a regular one. Okay, it will depend on the support that we keep. For the moment, what I can see is that if I can have some inner level here in play. Okay, and it will depends also on Bitcoin. So let's go back on Bitcoin. Let's remove this. No proofs. So what Bitcoin can do? Bitcoin can do the following. So this is the 361. Ethereum, I'm gonna delay this longer so it's not in the middle. My strategy is working. Okay, so 1 and 2. Let's make 2 of them. Okay, so it's gonna be one level here that is totally all the way down, and this is second one extended. Okay, this is the possible scenario. So you're gonna fly down this box. Okay, this box is fully compatible with the wedge. So it's not gonna be, let's just imagine. Okay, don't take this as a real situation, but you can do something like this, and then it will most likely fight with the 161 and then 361 golden pocket. This is gonna be the bearish situation. Okay, probably not in this wedge. Golden pocket is where money is, so golden pocket can have a bounce back up. Okay, now let's get back on the narrative of our targets. See if coronavirus will fuck us. Well, it will probably kill all of us. No, it's not. It was made just to kill all people, so it's not kill. Probably I'm not gonna die, probably. Okay, so this is my target, active in red. Okay, now if we go to the golden pocket, okay, I'm gonna be need to try something here. Yeah. Yes, look. sorry, this is the 361. 361 close this support here. I'm gonna put here also the GP just to double check. Yeah, it's like it can be even more. So it's gonna be this one. So here we put a line, yellow GP. This is gonna be important levels, and this, and also we have my strategy resistance there, so sorry, support there, so it's an important level. On the 3 days we are supported here, that's why we bounced. Okay, on the daily we are under, quite under. Okay, so let's go back on the 1 hour and understand what's going on. So we are making this downtrend channel on Bitcoin, but that is bullish situation. Okay, bullish because it will turn out into a big pump. I will if I was you, I will keep constantly check these two price on max. Okay, you can design the same chart on Phoenix or wherever you like, Binance. Okay, check these two price and place alert there because they are very good support zones. In 3 hour we have a support zone around there, yes, in the 4 hour there. Okay, so I will check constantly this support zone, okay, for a next bounce. Also, this, if this goes down, it need to bounce. It will bounce specifically on the border where there is also Ethereum. So on Ethereum we are already there, look. Okay, 1 second, I want to check. Yeah, I move it this. This is the chart you have on the group. Okay, is exiting, is firing my zones. Now this one can go under the border for the 3 hour. For the 4 hour, same stuff. Under the border is out of the flag. Okay, if Bitcoin goes under the border, out of the flag, under the support, we're gonna have a crash. I'm gonna go there. Okay, you can play intra, so range. Imagine every trade like this. Okay. Yes, imagine a trade like this. You can also be less extended, and trade ranges are around 4%. So 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, on leverage. This will end going to the 261 probably. This will end going to the 361. It's less extended. It's more extended Bitcoin move than Ethereum move. Okay, even if Ethereum do more percentage in the moves. Okay, so this is the bearish situation. There is a bullish situation. Let's go for the bullish situation. So in approx 2 hours and a half, there's gonna be the next reset. This was a reset, for example. This was a reset. Okay, next reset. The next reset can make us break out. If we break out, then the situation change, because let me show you. Here we had a divergence. okay, and we kill it going back here. Here we have two divergence, not one. We have two divergence. Okay, but let's just get for the 3 hours one. There is a divergence here. So this is our divergence. Okay, so the target are 161. Target can go back to the 161. That is a very good play. Okay, most likely it can go back inside the downtrend channel, the uptrend channel. That is what we want. Okay, it's even looking like a diamond. So this is totally working. No, crash down, up, pump back up. I will look this if I was you. Important to keep an eye on, because a lot of people are there say they wanting to long something. Okay, you want to be a trader, so let's make you a trader. You want to long something that doesn't have a divergence on it. Okay, you don't want to long something that has a divergence on it, and you don't have the border maybe. So the border is the divergence. The linear price going down create the divergence. Okay, it can also be a very bullish situation. Because we have inverse head and shoulder visible. What is this shit? Okay, like this, no? Okay, something like this. Go down to my support again and pump. No? So it's good, no? So you have to go back around there, and there you can make a pump. You can create a divergence between these two spots. Okay? You can totally create a divergence between these two spots. In case this is right, the target of the inverse head and shoulder is exactly the same target that we have on the divergence. So it's the same target, nothing changed. And we're gonna have also a middle target. They're gonna be this one here. So now we're gonna put a pair of measurements. Fuck this shit. So price range 1 and 2. Okay, of course on Ethereum this will be 3 times more, 4 times more, and same for Cripple. Understanding that if we do this and this inject properly, we can also go back. Is there any divergence? Yeah, there's this big one. Okay, we can also go back over there. Okay, but not there, because if you do this, the maximum zone you can go is gonna be this 10,800. But why this is important anyway? Because if we can pump tonight for the monthly close, we can fix this crap. So one second. I need this to go there. Monthly. Okay. If we can go there even lower, we will fix this. So this will become higher high, this one. Okay, it will kill this one. Then we can even go down, but we will go down without having a divergence on. Okay, instead, if we don't pump, we just go down, we will create a valley, and then the valley we will make probably just another divergence going up. Okay, anyway, big traders like golden pockets, so that's something to keep in mind always on any trade. So even in a middle pump, let's clean up. Let's just check if there is professionals playing this crap. Okay, this is the pump. So this is the pump. This is the target in. Is there anything pumping there? Yeah, probably in the next 6 hours is gonna be around there, turning up, and this will be a golden pocket. Okay, also if we try to design here an uptrend channel, that is gonna be very difficult, but we can do it. This I need to take this in consideration. I need to do, yeah, let's make the same setup of Ethereum. Okay, it's gonna be something like this. Okay, there's gonna be a target internal. It's also good for the range, because here you have the support. No, how much is this? 2%. There's a 2% range. Bounce there, then if is a flag, you can have just one move down and that's it, or you can have multiple move down. So this is another possibility. Full speculation here, because we don't have the design to expect something like that, something like this, and then down. This is another way to see this. Let's see if it work together with the wedge. Okay, yeah, it totally work also with the wedge. Okay, let's make also a target down like this. So this was the support, right? Yeah, and this is gonna be the target. Okay, make it even less extended. Yeah, this can be the target totally. Yeah, okay, so another even still bullish way to see this is this one. You will make divergence here. You will have to make divergence between these two poles, and then bounce. If this is the divergence that you build, then you will be able to go double top, if that is the point. If you don't use this one, you can go still even double top. Okay, now daily is still there. We are under DMA, still lot of time, guys, lot of time to develop this. Small time frame play. Yeah, some support. Yeah, totally we can go down there. We can go here. okay, is the 8500 area. That is still the support, is still the main support, because the design here is completely different from the other one. Yeah, so you can have orders, on the previous support, and they're gonna work again. 1 hour, I think, is 3 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, yeah. They're gonna probably work again for the next try, okay. If everything is exactly like I designed it yesterday, 3 days ago, okay, we're gonna go there, okay, understanding that the 361 is just under it, so it's not gonna be, it's not far, it's just there, it's there, okay. So this is probably next step before this one. Still very good, still very good. 361 pump is a very big move. 361 pump got 12,000, okay, but it got 12,000 after fix the divergence on the 1 month, so that's still the incognita. This is something that I have no idea how it will be fixed, okay. There's pair of ways to fix it, making a valley or something else, but the move will be, we need to be very nervous, okay. Nervous move happened on the golden pocket. All these moves happened on the golden pocket till now, even the bounce here, okay. So it's something that we can keep in consideration. Okay, money to be printed in both ways. For the people that are not yet familiar with the margin, in the group we have a special channel where we just do margin trading, okay. It's fun, actually. It's fun to make a 50% in a day without having to deal to any season. So it's something that people like to do. This is nice, okay. Founding support there is nice for the other way out, but anyway we have to close over this zone here, okay. So if we don't close over this one, and if we don't close over the box, the red box, we're not gonna go up there yet, okay. Thank you very much, kids. Ciao, see you next time.